Right, so here we go. Today we're taking down this supporting wall, supporting the floor joist upstairs. I've got plenty of acro props in each side, and the client wants this steel in the ceiling, so we're going to have to cut our way through all those joists. So I've already lasered a line through, now just marking the width for the steel, just squaring that up. I'm going to be cutting the ends off the joists that I don't need. So you can never be quite accurate enough with this. You know, you're always going to find when you put the steel up, it's always going to snag somewhere. So I'm just cutting the end off that joist. And I'm just going to mark the other side, trim that up. There we go. And so on and so forth for all of them. And now I'm double checking it with a laser. Like I say, it's going to snag somewhere while we're putting the steel up. So I'll cut them all the way through. I've already got the steel prepared. I put the 6x2 in the steel, and we just passed it through one end into the stairwell to give us enough room to push it up. And we're just working it up with some 4x2, trimming the end of the joist where they're catching as we go. Just continue making fine adjustments, finally getting it slid across into position. And yeah, I know I've got no guard on the angle grinder. I'm just cutting down a lintel to use as the pad stones. So get the pad stone in, push it up tight underneath the steel, point it in. Same for the other side. And there we go, finally in position. Took about 3.5 hours to get it in. I've trimmed the bottom of the joist so the joist hangers don't push the plasterboard down. We'll be using a fireline plasterboard on this ceiling for the fire protection. These joist hangers are Simpsons. They're really nice, 2mm thick steel, really strong, because you can't get them go around the top of the steel, so you need some good hangers. Plenty of nail holes on them. So I'm just going through, finishing all those off on each one. And now I couldn't know where I was going to need to put the threaded bar through to hold the 6x2 in the steel until I put it up. So I've had to do that when it was in position, which was quite difficult, but we got it. And there we go, it's done. Really pleased with this job. It's gone in quite nicely. Client's happy. Thanks for watching.